Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of Killarney National Park. I apologize if I have boogers all over my face. It's a lot colder out than it looks. It's not so bad now that we're in the forest here. It's cut down the wind a lot.
In the bush line.
We're in the bush line. So we're hopefully gonna go see the Torc Waterfall and hopefully climb the mountain there. But we'll see how the weather holds out. Let's go. This is the direction we're going. 2 kilometers that way. Let's keep going. Made it to the Torc Waterfall. Check this place out. You don't realize how much out of shape you are until you climb up a mountain. Oh my gosh. God help me. I just want to say this right now before we start this. John is taking me on a very strenuous hike. They said straight up, it's strenuous. So if this is the last time you see me, Mom, Dad, I love you. Say nice things about me at my funeral. Bye. Okay, we got lost there for a second. We had to backtrack, but now I think we're on track. It's not so bad right now. We're gonna go to the top of the mountain. I don't know if you can see it up there somewhere. We're gonna try anyway. We're losing daylight hours, so let's hurry, let's go! much more I can do.
Ist das now
Check out this view. Look how cool that is. It's pretty amazing here. Isn't that right, John? So, John just mentioned that we are cutting it very close on time. It starts getting dark here. Sun starts setting at about 4:15, and it's about 3:15 right now. So we have an hour to make it up to the top and make it back alive. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm going to put the camera away for a little bit until we can get to the top. So I do want to make it up there and take some sort of video up there to show you guys. So meet you at the top. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it to the top of Torc Mountain! Woo!
It is freaking cold.
It is freaking cold up here, and you can't see anything.
Yeah.
The lake down there, hopefully you'll be able to see it. I'll just zoom in here. That's about as much as we can see. Oh. Oh, any comments? John?
I have to get Dustin back safe. So with his mom and dad, I'll make sure to get him down there in the next hour and a half probably. Maybe there's a little bit of light, but we'll probably have to use the flashlight.
It's gonna be dark by the time we get back, so probably not gonna record anything on our way down. But I think this deserves a Guinness. Let's get to the bottom. Yeah, I think that's better. I forgot to record an outro last night, so I'm doing it the next day. We were just so exhausted by the time we got back. Walking for 30 kilometers for 7 hours. That was just too much. It was too much, but it was worth it. So here's the outro. I would definitely suggest doing that hike. It's called Torc Mountain here in Killarney National Park. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.